Whenever a new animal arrives at the North Carolina Zoo, the public is always intent to learn when that new critter is going on exhibit. But the fact is that every new animal coming into the zoo has to go through a series of medical exams and a waiting period before they can be introduced to their exhibit.
The purpose of quarantine is to protect the resident animals we have here at the zoo from the introduction of a disease from another animal that comes from another facility. And we do that in order to prevent the introduction of any type of disease. When the animal is in quarantine, it's a period of time for the animal to get adjusted to the way it's going to be handled here at the North Carolina Zoo as far as diet. And it also allows us time to evaluate the animal medically. Most of the quarantine periods that we have here at the zoo are roughly 30 days. Primates we generally keep in quarantine for approximately 60 days. Primate quarantines are a little bit more complicated. For instance, if we have a gorilla that comes into quarantine, we like to do an echocardiogram because gorillas have a lot of cardiovascular disease. During that quarantine period, each of the animals gets a physical examination. We check them out with a very, very thorough physical. They'll get an eye exam, an ear exam, a dental exam, in addition to a general physical. And then if we find anything in that physical that gives us a little bit of a concern, then we can pursue that.
While no one is more excited about bringing a new animal on exhibit than the zoo staff, we have to make certain that the existing collection is protected from outside threats. If you'd like to learn more, please check out our website at nczoo.org. I'm Rod Hackney reporting for the Zoo Files, connecting your life to wildlife.